Barangay officials, SK officials, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Wow, English era talaga. So natatakot talaga si Miss Meloy, but I need to fight for this. Because I know for myself that I am beautiful among the six candidates. So, talikod! Talikod! Wow, guwapa! Atubang, Joaquin, Bordado. Cool, ayaw, call, but pineklig ka ng gagangan mo nila. Sa mga mamaruang kang kinay, magkita kinay. Sorry, excited.
Yes, I am. I born to be ready, so I have to be ready.
Okay, I don't care. So, wow, nakong pamunta na sa imo asi. Kung magiging hayop ka, nganong unggoy man.
Ladies and gentlemen, kung mahimo daw kong hayop nganong unggoy. Ladies and gentlemen, ang unggoy, pariha na to, mura siya og tao, gwapo, o gwapa sila. Pariha sa ato ang dagwa. That's all, thank you.
Wow, it's
I do believe that beautiful is not about outside, but it is about inside. But we should always remember that beauty, it isn't about the outside. So we should always remember that we are beautiful outside and inside, and we have to be confident to bring ourselves to speak up to ourselves. Because no one can help you in a hardest time, only yourself. So you have to trust yourself, and you have to believe that you are beautiful inside and outside. And that's all. Thank you.
wow, I really like your opinion, but I am not